Huwag niyong bibigyan ng pagkakataon makilala yan. Kapipisyo.
Wala na akong choice. Kailangan ko nang ilabas ang alas ko. Hindi naman ako pwede sumabi. So to save myself, may kailangan akong ilaglag. I'm done with business. I'm sure you gentlemen are hungry. Night!
Hello? That is.
What are you thinking, Alex? What am I gonna do with you? Do you actually believe that you can waltz into my kingdom and take me down from inside?
You can laugh about it now, but when everyone, especially Noreen, finds out all the darts that you've hidden for so long, trust me, it will be over for you.
It'll be over for me. Explain.
I will expose you! I will make sure everyone will know what kind of a monster you are!
Yes. Tell me, Alex. What kind of monster am I exactly?
The kind that draws people to taking advantage of them. You sell them to your friends without them knowing. You're such maniac. 지적스러운 거는 시간도 아니야.
Who are you, sir? Who do you think you are? It's coming to my country. You speak to me with that garbage. You know, actually, I should be thanking you. You made it so easy for me. And the honesty. I appreciate it. Let me return the favor. All this information that you know, I'm bearing it with you. Alam niyo na kung anong gagawin dito, ha? Kailangan tumikit sa utak ng luring na yan ang mensaheng papadala ko.